Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be checking out Windows 8 build 7983, specifically the FBL DN3 wireless branch. It was compiled on April 13th, 2011, and the time bomb is March 15th, 2012. So this is a really interesting Windows 8 build because a couple of new things have happened, and I'll get into that after I create the virtual machine. So I'll be back after I create the virtual machine, so yeah. Alright, we are back. So let's full screen VMware, and we're going to go here, free stretch mode, and we're going to boot into the BIOS. There we go, the BIOS. And okay, we can just set the date to 2011, or the year to 2011. Today is May 27th when I'm recording this, but this video should come out on May 29th. Yeah, May 29th. So we're gonna set this to 2011. We're gonna do that. We're going to exit saving changes. Yes. And then it should boot up into the build. I gave this virtual machine 8 GB of RAM, which is nice. Okay, so let's get into the first feature. So the first feature is, well, okay, this is strange. What? Windows is loading files. Okay, that's strange. What is the new feature here? No, I don't know. I really do not know. Is this like a different version or something? Oh, there it is. There it is. So, oh wow. Oh wow. It just crashes. What? Okay, so the build just crashes. I do not know why. Let's try that again. This is what happened last time. This is literally what happened last time. Anyways, we'll try that again. Hopefully it works. I don't really know. I mean, what could be causing this? Is there like not enough RAM or something? Okay, let's go cancel this. This happened last time too. I don't know why. Okay, so we gave the virtual machine 8 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores. What if we just give it 1 CPU core? What will happen now? Will it work? If we just give it 1 CPU core instead of 2, will it boot up? Well, we'll find out. Windows is loading files. Okay. Hopefully it boots. I mean, I really want to explore this build. No, it did not. Okay. What on earth happened? I really don't know. Is it the RAM? I mean, I don't think it's the RAM, but let's try giving it 4 gigs instead of 8 gigs. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna download the 32-bit version of this build, and we'll just try to see if the 32-bit version works. And if it doesn't work, then we're gonna have to do something. So yeah, we have some options. And yeah, I really don't know. I really do not know what on earth. It crashed. Okay, so I'll be back after downloading the 32-bit version of this build because we're gonna be trying the 32-bit version now. So I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Or not a couple of minutes, like in the next clip. Alright, we are back and it's downloaded. That was really fast. Okay, let's go, and we're gonna change our ISO to, it's still 7983 of course, except this is now the 32-bit version. I hope that works. I hope the 32-bit version works because, well, I really want it to work, please. Okay, so we are now booting up the virtual machine, and hopefully it works. I mean, I don't want to jinx it or anything, but we are now back on Windows is loading files, so hopefully it works. I hope it does. Okay. Please. Come on, Windows. You can do this. Come on, Windows. Come on. Come on, Windows. You're stuck at the end of it. Oh, come on. We were so close. It crashed instantly or something. I don't know. Oh, come on. It was so close. It was so close. Okay, now it's gonna load files again. I don't know. I'll be back again. Okay. Okay. No. Okay, I'll be back after finding something. What on earth? Do we have to... I'll be back. Alright, so I've actually done something. So basically what I've done is I've remade the virtual machine, but for, well, workstation 7 instead of workstation 10, because it was on workstation 10. I thought that would be enough, but it was not enough, so I changed it to workstation 7.x, or the option 6.5 to 7.x. So if you're installing this build, make sure to do that. I'm going to just try using the 32-bit version again because, well, I'm not really, I don't want to try the 64-bit version because, I mean, I don't really know if it's going to work. So we're going to try the 32-bit version. And if it works, I might use the 64-bit version. I don't really know. I mean, is it really worth it? It's just 32 more bits. I mean, we're not really like running any programs. We're just checking out the build. So yeah, 32 bits should be fine if it works. And as you can see, Windows is loading files once again. So yeah, we're gonna wait for that and hope that it works finally. I don't know. Apparently this is happening because of a CPU up. Nope, that didn't really fix it. No. Alright, let's try that again. I don't really know if that would do anything, but we'll try again. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Okay, so basically, we're gonna have to close VMware and do some stuff. So I'll be back after doing that stuff that we need to do. So yeah. Alright, you know what? I decided to switch to USB 1.1. Okay, so we're now booting. I don't know. We're now booting. And no, it did not work. Oh boy. Oh my, of course. Of course. Why? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. What? Oh my gosh. You have to be... Okay, the amount of time it took to actually get here is crazy. Oh my gosh, that was so crazy. Alright, so to save everyone time, make sure you use workstation 8, set it to Windows 7, and I'll leave in the description the configuration file that you should use, because that took forever. Oh my gosh. Okay, Alright, so we are actually in the setup now. As you can see right here, we have the centered title text, which isn't exactly centered. And it doesn't have arrow anymore, which is strange. So yeah, we're now back at setup is starting. Yeah. Okay, that's very nice and very cool. Okay, so now we are starting setup. And well, oh yeah, now we need the product key. So I'll be back after entering the product key. Alright, let's accept the license terms. We're gonna do a custom install. Finally, let's go. Alright. I'll be back when something interesting happens. Oh wait, Arrow's back, that's nice. Okay, so yeah. Alright, we're back. Alright, we're gonna type in a computer name. F. Simple computer name, you know. Oh wow, there's only 2. Oh wait, no, there we go. There's 3. Alright, what on earth is happening? Like, genuinely, what on earth is happening? What? Oh, okay, there we go. Okay. Ask me later. Holy cow, it's very much lagging. I'll be back once we're in the desktop. Alright, welcome. As you can see, there's a brand new wallpaper, which is really nice actually. I actually like this wallpaper, really cool, really nice. We're going to be changing the screen resolution to 1920 by 1080. So let's do a bit of that. Keep changes. And just like that, we are in. And obviously we still have this glitch, or maybe it's not a glitch, who knows. Anyways, we're gonna grab red pill, or red lock actually. We're gonna grab red lock because we need to check out the new features. So yeah, we're going to put in the red lock ISO. Hopefully red lock works for 32-bit Windows. I hope it does. Okay, here we are in red lock and it's open. We're gonna run it. We're gonna click yes. I'm gonna close out of that. Don't know what that was about. But anyways, we're going to press 1. Make sure your program is running from the system drive before. Okay, yeah, 1. And here we are. Okay, we are now rebooting, and I'll be back once it's done because this can take some time. So yeah. What on earth is the setup is preparing your computer for first use screen? What is this screen? It looks so, well, strange. I don't know. That's just really weird to me. I don't know. Okay. So yeah, we've got the obviously new boot screen. This is the first, the spinning wheel is way too big and it says welcome. So, I mean, yeah. The welcome is kind of glitching. I don't know why. Why is my screen green? This is not green for you guys. I don't know what's going on. It's just my monitor. Alright, the new login screen. And it's still using the old arrow thing. Great. Okay, nice. Peak startup sound. Alright, we've got this, which is really nice. I think I've taken a look at that in the last build. Alright, we are back, and well, yeah, pretty nice. Oh, that's strange. We heard the startup sound. Let's see the search. We can search for stuff. That's nice. Okay, computer. Okay, we can open up the charms bar, which is right here. The charms bar. We got the time. That's nice. I don't know if we had the time before, but we have the time now. We now have a connect screen for some reason. I really do not know why. Let's see if Windows Explorer has gotten any changes. You know, because it might have. Alright, Windows Explorer still has the nice little ribbon. The ribbon UI, you know. Media servers. What media server? Okay, that's strange. We got a media server. I really do not know what the media server is. We got a little bit of Winver with the Microsoft Confidential, you know. We all like Microsoft Confidential. Can we go to computer properties and open up the control panel thing? Oh yes, we can. I don't know why control panel is full screen, but here we go. 2011, yeah. Alright, so basically this is going to be the end of the video. We got it installed, finally. That took a very long time, so I'm going to take the thumbnail shot. I need to do that, because the thumbnail is very, very important. So we're going to grab the thumbnail shot. I probably could have done that a lot better, and you know what, I will. I'll do the screenshot a bit better. Okay, so yeah, that's basically going to be the entire video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed, well then, oh crap, no, no, I didn't mean to take both for my monitors, no. Okay, anyways, what I was trying to say is, if you guys liked the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.